Hello, and welcome to Chapter 1, I-1 of the first video. Today, start your journey on PC building. This is an introductory video for you to watch. We're going to break down how everything works as far as key moments and what my plans are to build these videos and show them to you. So, starting off, every video will be a chapter, and it will have keys individually. So every video is made individually into chapters. So you'll have like 10 videos or more, maybe in one chapter. So introduction is to help you to be more comprehensive, to be more easier for you to look through instead of searching the video for the key points you were looking for. This was my idea of breaking down the videos even further instead of using YouTube algorithm for search methods, not finding what you're looking for. So this video here is an introductory to the PC Masterclass. And if you're a first-time member, we welcome you to the channel as part of being JJ's PC Build family member. None of this is recorded. I mean, it is recorded, but none of it is scripted. It's done directly out of my head, and I'm doing it piece by piece. I'm only using AI to help me build thumbnails to make it more successful for you guys to see what we're talking about. But every piece of information you get from me is from me. Nothing is scripted. So do expect that. And if you have any issues, concerns, or problems, make sure you join our Discord as well. And if you can't join our Discord, we'll get you in there. Right now we have a public Discord that we put everybody in. And when I get all set and ready, I'll be building a members only Discord. So if you're wondering, is this going to be easy? Is it going to be hard, complex, or whatever? It's going to be very comprehensive, down to the basics, all the way up to the advanced moments. So if you're wanting to work hard and build a PC and take it from bare bone all the way up to advanced level, so when you play a game, you know everything about your PC, then you're in the right place. There's going to be no flashy B-roll. This is totally one-on-one comprehensive video. It's not going to be flashy, nothing. So if that's what you were coming here to look for, to see if it was going to be a flashy video, we're here to work to get to the basics for you to learn. So this way you don't have to go and buy a PC pre-built that you know nothing about. This comprehensive videos will take you to that next level where you need to be, so you can save yourself some money, time, and aggravation. So if you made it to the end of the video, I do appreciate it. And if this is your first time here, just say so. But until the next time, in the next video, you know it is, and we'll see you on the next one.